Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel, Microsoft Excel Master. Today I will be introducing Microsoft Excel interface to you. Now, as we have it, this is the Microsoft Excel interface. It has been tagged the names that the various interfaces are called. The interface are the work environments that we have on Microsoft Excel. You know, if you are new in the use of Microsoft Excel, there is a need for you to get used to the interface. The first that we have here is Quick Access Toolbar. Is the first line at the left hand corner of your Microsoft Excel. Let me show you right inside the Microsoft Excel. This is what we are talking about here. Quick Access Toolbar. Why it's called Quick Access Toolbar is that here, this is where you can quickly make use of some of the tools we have in Microsoft Excel. Take for instance, this is the first one that we have at the left hand side at the top right here is save. If you are working, you're typing, don't mind me, I'm typing jargons just to explain. If you're typing and you need to save, as you are typing, you can bring your cursor right here and click save. It gives you where to save it. You can quickly write my work and save. So as you are working, you can easily go to the top and click save to save your work. The next that we have there is undo. You click undo, that is, if you made a mistake by typing something you are not supposed to type, you click undo. You undo. So the next one is redo. You can as well redo what you have undo. So now we still have a fly out right here. This fly out, if you are not comfortable with all the tools that you have here as defaults, you can remove or add to them. So let me give you an example. If you click the fly out, you have all of these. The one that are checked are the one you have right at the top. So those are the defaults. Like this new, open, are not checked, are not marked. So if you need to bring them to the list, if you need to take them to the list, you check them one by one. It's checked, it's there. As you can see, new is there. You click again. If you want open to be there, you click. As you can see, you have open. So this new means new, create a new document. Create a new document. The next one that I just opened is open. One good thing about Microsoft Excel is you may use control keys to work. If you don't want to use your cursor, you can use your control key. How do you know your control key? If you place your cursor, you can see. If you want to save, you save with Control S. You press your control keyboard and you press S. Undo is Control Z, as you can see there. Redo is Control Y. You know, new workbook, create a new document. Create a new document is Control N. Then open is Control O. So, and so on and so forth. You may not be able to cram all these control keys. That is why you have all the tools right here to pick. So, let's go back to our interface. We are done with Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar. So the next that we have is the ribbon. The ribbon. These are the ribbon. Now let me show you. All of these are the ribbon tab. Ribbon tab. What do we have right in our ribbon? We have home, we have insert, we have page layout, we have formulas, we have that data, we have review, we have view. So these are what we have in our ribbon. Now the next is command group. So when you say command group, that means all the tools that you have to command Microsoft or Excel to do whatever you want. You know, when you're working with data in Microsoft Excel, it's all about command. E.g., if there's a need for you to sum up a number of data, or you need to run some command to have a result, this is where you get all the commands that you can use to tell Microsoft Excel what you actually want. So these are the command side of Microsoft Excel command group. So the next is name box. We have name box, we have formula box. As you can see, name box and formula box. This is name box, this is formula box. So why this is called name box is this here is C15. So that is where you have the name box. As you can see, the flyout is stated there, name box. Here is formula box. Here is formula box. This is where you input your formula. If you place your cursor right there, you just input your formula. Take for instance, if I want to put a formula right here, if I have 50 plus 60, let me say 50 and 60, I want to do the calculation. I know the formula. In my next tutorial, I'm going to teach you on formula. So if I will put my formula right there, is going to be equal to sum, open brackets, then you make reference to what you are summing up. So from here to here, then you close your brackets. Close your bracket and press enter. You have it right there. So if you place your cursor on the total, you see the formula command right here. So let's move on. The next that we have is cell. We have our cell. So what is cell in Microsoft Excel? Cell are all these boxes, all these small boxes where you input your data. Those are cells. All these are cells. All of these are cells in Microsoft Excel. So the next is you need to know your role. Then you need to know your columns. The rows are all these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are your rows. Then your columns are all of these: A, B, C, D, E, F. So let me show you inside the Microsoft Excel workbook. So you have it 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, the column is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So let's move on. We have worksheets here. This is a worksheet. By default, Microsoft Excel gives you 3 numbers of worksheets. So these are your worksheet. These are where you work. So sheet 1 is where we are. You can go to sheet 2 by clicking. You can go to sheet 3. Then if you need to open more other sheets, you click here. You click here, insert worksheet. You click. That is that on worksheets. So the next is vertical and horizontal scroll bars. Let me show you here. Vertical and horizontal scroll bar. So here you can use this one to move up and down. For instance, if you have plenty of like going from 1 to thousands of informations, you use these ones to scroll up and down. So this one, you use this one to scroll from column left or right. So the last that we have here is at the bottom line here, which are worksheet view option and zoom control. So these 3 are the worksheet view option. Now let me show you what that one does, what they do. Now on Microsoft Excel, you have it here. You know, you have it as worksheet view option. So if you click, this is the normal work view. This is the normal one, the normal view. Then we have page layout view. Then we have page break preview. So this is the normal view. So if you take it to page layout, this is it. You have it, page layout like this. So what that one does is that it has broken the worksheets into pages. So the next that we have under work view is page break preview. So this is a page break preview. Page break preview is I just click it and this box comes out. You click OK. So since we have information only on page 1 of our worksheet, that is why we have it here, just 1 page. So you can go back to normal. So the next one is zoom in and out interface. Zoom in and out interface. So if you want to zoom, the default percentage is 100. As you can see, it's 100. So you can reduce or increase up to as much as you can. This is 400%. That is the highest. Then you can go as low as you can to 10%. So this is where we are stopping for today. See you next time for more on Microsoft Excel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button, so whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first to watch. Bye for now.